Welcome to the Aquasure Harmony Series meter cable replacement video. To begin, you'll need to gather a few tools and supplies. To follow along with the video, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a meter replacement cable from aquasureusa.com. Unplug the power cable from the system. Remove the power cable connector from your softener's control head. Disconnect the cable from the meter. Pull upward on the cable to remove it from the meter. Remove the back cover. Remove the two screws from the back of the softener control head, then detach the back cover. Loosen the meter cable. Loosen the cable by carefully freeing it from the pegs that hold it in place. Remove the meter cable from the circuit board. Carefully pull the softener digital panel forward to access the internal components. Unplug the meter cable from the first port on the circuit board, then guide it through the hole. Connect the new cable to the circuit board. Feed the replacement cable through the hole and connect it to the first port on the circuit board. After ensuring the cable is securely connected to the board, secure the front of the softener head. Position the new cable. Carefully guide the replacement cable around the outside of the holding pegs, ensuring it is securely fastened in place. Reconnect the back cover. Set the back panel of the control head in place and tighten the two screws. Connect the cable to the meter. Insert the meter cable into the system meter hole, pushing it until you hear a distinct click. Reconnect the power cable to the system. Plug in the power cable connector to your softener's control head. Our US-based dedicated customer support team would be happy to help you if you have any further questions.